Hey beauties, welcome back and welcome if you're new. I am still on my 4-month hair growth challenge, and for week 10, 11, and 12, this has been my weekly routine. So for the past 3 weeks, I've made and applied this moisturizing growth mask. The mask begins with a 1/4 cup of organic henna. I add a little hot water at a time just to make a paste. Henna and its amazing qualities need to sit for about 4 hours minimum for the dye to be released, so it's always good to prep your henna a day before or at least minimum 4 hours prior. To enhance the henna, I'm adding herbs to the recipe, starting with 1 teaspoon of peppermint leaves, 1 teaspoon of BRAHMI, 1 teaspoon of burdock root, 1 teaspoon of marshmallow root powder, 1 teaspoon of ginkgo biloba, 1 teaspoon of horsetail root, and 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder or the seeds if you have. To add moisture and to give the mask super slip when you're applying it to your hair, the Ambunu is going to do just that. I am using 1/3 to 1/4 cup. If you guys need a link to find all these wonderful herbs, I have added them in the description box below. So moving forward, to make the herbs work in my favor, I'm going to infuse them using hot water, no more than 1 cup. I'm going to leave this mix alone so it can infuse and cool down for about 30 to 45 minutes. Once the Ambunu is combined with a liquid, preferably water, it will produce a slime-like substance that will instantly detangle your hair, leaving your hair moisturized, soft, and shiny. Now I'm going to add everything to the blender so I can break it down even better. To strain, I'm using my go-to. It's an anklet stocking, or you guys can use a cheesecloth or a regular stocking cap. The herbs in the mix, along with the henna, will encourage hair growth, help to repair and strengthen the hair follicles, minimize hair loss, reduce split ends, help with inflamed, dry, itchy scalp, and with regular use, it can help to thicken your hair, giving you shine and enhancing your curl pattern. I only need a 1/4 cup of the mixture, so the leftovers are going to get bagged and put into the freezer so I can use for the following weeks. Now back to the henna. I've made my henna the day before. You guys do not have to do 12 hours. Like I said, you can do 4, but I prefer to let it sit for longer. The Ambunu mix gets mixed in. You can apply the mask to clean or dirty hair. Y'all know me, I'm going to apply this mask to my dirty hair. I section my hair, then I apply water to get my hair damp. Then the henna gets applied from my roots all the way down to my ends. The definition and shine I have right now lets me know that this recipe is given perfection, like complete perfection. Just look at my curl pattern. The mask will condition my hair for 2 hours. I followed up with a co-wash, or if you guys prefer, go ahead and use a shampoo. So wash day is complete, and as you can see, I do have product in my hair. Yes, I should have showed you guys how my hair looked when I did rinse out the henna, but I was kind of rushing, so I styled my hair while in the shower. And of course, I will show you everything that I used. So I'm just gonna come on and show you guys how my hair looks right now before it does dry. Don't worry, that white stuff will dry out. But that henna mask was super duper moisturizing. That was one of the first henna masks that was really like well balanced, just so nurturing for my hair, and it really made my curls pop. You know a hair mask is doing good for your hair, and your hair is gonna come out looking super juicy. Like once your hair just like clumps up and you get that definition and the shine, that hair mask I'm definitely using next week again. So good thing it's easy to make, and I already have half the recipe. All I have to do is prepare the henna, and the Ambunu is already there and ready to be used for next week. The curls came out super bomb. Obviously, I have hair products, so my hair's gonna look extra moisturized, but without a doubt, you guys know I wouldn't lie to you, that was one of the best henna masks I have ever used. And you guys can see on my channel, I have used many henna masks before. This one made my curls really pop. So I'm on to another wash and go for this week. I did my middle part again, and I will show you guys how my hair looks pretty much for the first 3 days, because today is Wednesday. Day 1, you guys pretty much know how day 1's gonna look, and day 2, by day 2, no, tomorrow's day 2, today's day 1, tomorrow's day 2, and by day 3, you guys know my volume starts to get big. I don't fluff, but I just wanted to show you guys the hair. This was my hair on day 7. The next day following this clip, I did go in and repeat the full step. So henna, a wash, and then style. So that's it for this video. If you guys made it this far, leave a like. And if you have any questions, you guys already know what to do. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye, beauties.